Recently I have been testing and reviewing the system, and so far I am impressed with the system and possible earning opportunity. Betfury is the best looking system out of any crypto gambling websites, and with the cashback incentives and gamble driven mining, Betfury is a one of a kind platform and a system for others to emulate. First and foremost, each time you gamble you earn small amounts of BAF tokens, which then give a share of the website's daily profit. All you need to do is hold the tokens in your account and you will receive a daily dividend payment paid out in Bitcoin, Tron, BitTorrent tokens and Tether. Currently the dividend pool is over 70 BX. You will earn roughly 0.7 Satoshi per 1 BAF token you hold. On the Betfury website you will find the calculator that shows you potential earnings for 100k, 500k and 1M tokens, along with showing you what your own tokens are currently earning each day. Another one of the best features is the free Bitcoin faucet. You can receive 1800 Satoshi daily, which gives you free credits to gamble with each day. Use these free credits to gamble and generate BAF tokens, which in turn generate daily revenue. Here is a look at my account so far. I have around 700 BAF tokens and I am earning around 700 Satoshi daily, around 70 cents US, plus a few cents worth BitTorrent token and Tron coin. This game is called Crash, and it's the most dangerous and perhaps the most rewarding game. You make a bet and need to click the button to take your winnings before the spaceman crashes. Sometimes he will crash at 1, sometimes at 3, sometimes at 70x as shown below, and sometimes even X. It all comes down to how long you can hold out and ride along with the rocket ship. Nerve-wracking stuff lol. This is the mines game. All you need to do is pick the gems and avoid the bombs. Each time you click a gem and win, your total earnings will go up. If you can pick 6 or more gems without bombing out, you can get at least 4x your initial bet. The dice game is one of my favorite. You can set the system to auto-bet and use different variables to create different gambling patterns. For example, if you put the bet on to 4 Satoshi on repeat for a few days, you can mine hundreds of BAF tokens and it will only cost you a few dollars worth of Bitcoin to do so. Click here to read my tutorial that shows you how. Take a look at this guy betting. Tax each go around $250 US. Looks like he's having some wins too. Getting 14x on a tax bet would be nice. That's over $300 US each win. Here is one of my meager wins, 300 tax, which is around $75 US. Not too shabby at all. I've won a number of times on this machine and it's now one of my favorites. It's called the Pirates map. Another solid win on the Pirates map poker machine. 976 tax worth around $25. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.